morning, YouTube. All right, today we're going to remove these struts because my door doesn't stay up automatically anymore. So we'll be removing these off and replacing them. That's the other end right there. I got a broomstick gonna hold this door up, so let me go ahead and pull this off and let you see how it looks. All right, I got this one off. This is the little stud that holds it in. We're gonna put this one back on. All right, we got the old one off. Got the new one laying beside it. Turbo lift. Let's go ahead and put this on. Try to do it with one hand, see if I can get it. Not sure I can get it in with one hand. So I'm gonna come back and let you see how it looks once I finish. All right, all I did was put it on there and tap it in like that. And she in there. All right, let me do the other end. Okay, we got the first one in. Let me tell you, you might want to try having somebody out here to help you, because it's kind of rough doing it by yourself, holding this gate up. But there's the old one, and here's the other side right here. This is the screwdriver that I'm using to take the little clip out. Gotta push that little clip up so it'll come out on both ends. These little clips right here. So it'd be better if you had a ladder to hold this up, but I don't have a ladder, so I got a broomstick. Okay, I got the other side loose. See it right there? That's the little bolt, little nut that it fits onto. So we'll go ahead and take the other end off and see what we get. All right. This is, that's the little hole right there that it goes onto. So basically, so you're gonna put it in right there. You can kind of push it, but I'm gonna use I'm just gonna pop it in. There she go. That's one end right there. Now I gotta connect the other end right here. It's gonna go right there. Make sure you gotta put your screwdriver right here and push that way. So put your screwdriver right there and push that way to release it so it'll be able to hold on. All right, I gotta put this camera down and put it on. There she goes, she's in there. All right, let's see how it does. And the door is staying up. I've been lifting this door up, holding this door for I don't know how many years. I was like, let me look on YouTube, see how to do it. So all right, these the old pair called turbo lifts. Got them from the Napa, about 70 bucks, Napa, if anybody wanted to know. All right, let's watch it raise up one more time. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, that's magic right there. That's magic.